We are solving questions from NEET 2018 and 2017 previous examination questions. Both are from dual nature of the matter and radiation, and the specific topic is photoelectric effect. Right? Let us see what is the question is. When a light of frequency 2 nu naught, where nu naught is threshold frequency, is incident on a metal plate, maximum velocity of an electron is v1, right? Let us try to understand what he is trying to say over there, right? When a light of certain frequency incidents, so we shall study an equation called Einstein's photoelectric equation, according to which energy incident on a metal surface is first used to release the electron from the metal surface, that is called work function. Energy of each photon is used to release an electron from the metal surface, use that energy called work function. After that, if the incident energy is still more, that helps to move the electron with a certain kinetic energy. This is Einstein's photoelectric energy equation. So E can be written like h nu, work function can be written like h nu naught, kinetic energy is half mv square. So h of nu minus nu naught equal to half mv square. In the case incident frequency is nu naught. Next time, when the frequency of the incident radiation is 5 nu naught, maximum velocity is v2. Then what is the ratios of this v1 and v2, right? So in case 1, h of 2 nu minus nu naught, h of 2 nu minus nu naught, because incident frequency is twice the threshold frequency in the given problem, equal to half m v1 square. It has got a velocity v1. Next time, when the incident frequency is 5 times of nu naught as it is given for you, minus threshold frequency remains the same electron now moves with a different velocity v2. So you can call this as equation number 1 and equation number 2. And if you make 1 by 2, what I will get is 2 nu naught minus nu naught, that is nu naught, by 5 nu naught minus nu naught is 4 nu naught. H and H anyway will get cancelled. Half m and half m also will cancel. Equal to v1 by v2 whole square. Nu naught cancel. So what is remaining is 1 by 4 equal to v1 by v2 whole square. Let us take a square root on both the sides. 1 by 2 equal to v1 by v2. So ratio of v1 is to v2 is 1 is to 2. If he is asking a ratio of v2 is to v1, then that becomes 2 is to 1. Be careful, right? That's how we solve this simple problem. Let us solve another problem that is available. That's also a simple concept. The photoelectric threshold wavelength is, here frequency is given, here wavelength is given. That's the only difference. Velocity of electron ejected from the silver surface of light of wavelength is how much? So I can use the same formula. Einstein photoelectric equation says energy equal to work function plus kinetic energy. Energy equal to h nu, but in terms of wavelength, hc by lambda equal to hc by lambda naught, where lambda naught is threshold frequency, lambda is incident frequency. Kinetic energy is half mv square. You want to calculate v, so hc of 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught equal to half mv square. Here we have to substitute all these values so that I can get the velocity v. So I can write velocity v equation as, these two will go to the numerator, 2hc of 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught under square root by mass of electron, when you rearrange the terms. Now I can substitute all these parameters. V can be written like square root of, h is Planck's constant 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. C is velocity of light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. m is the mass of electron, 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram, and then 1 by lambda. Lambda is, how much is the lambda that is given for us? Wavelength, incident wavelength is this, 2536, 10 power minus 10 will become 10 power plus 10 in the numerator, minus 1 by the other value, 3250, that was what given for you, 10 power, of course, sorry, 10 power plus 10. So, if you simplify this, I am not showing the all simplification, but the answer is very much visible. 10 power minus 10 is there in common here. So, that out of the square root it will become 10 power 5. Now, there is here minus 34 and minus 31, minus 3 will be there. Minus 3, if you cancel is minus 31 without bothering about numbers. Minus 3 and plus 8 is approximately plus 5, and there is another minus plus 10, plus 5 and plus 10 is what it will be, plus 5 and plus 10 will be plus 15 under the square root, and if you consider this 10 power 3 is in the denominator, and if you cancel, you will get approximately a 6 into 10 power 5 meter per second. The first option. I am not calculating this calculation just to save my time. You please go through and make sure that you will get that answer, but I want you to make sure yourself that you get that answer, right? That's how we solve this problem. Thank you for watching.